Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Thanks for tuning in. Greetings to you all and thanks again for stopping by. Today we are making something quick and easy, and it's none other than our curry chicken and gizzard stir fry. Let's get started. That's my chopped spring onion and shallot, my red bell pepper and my yellow bell pepper. That's my clean, washed and chopped chicken breast, my nicely washed and sliced gizzard, nicely chopped celery, nicely cleaned carrots, my ginger paste, garlic paste. Lovely people, I'll show you the rest of the ingredients as we are making our stir fry. I've already poured some oil in the saucepan, and now we are adding our gizzard. We are trying to steam and fry our gizzard at the same time. It's now time to add our flavors, and that's our garlic paste, ginger paste, trying to bring a natural aroma to our gizzard. And that's also our dried powdered onion. Yes, guys, so you give it a good stir in order to combine all the flavors. And that's it. It smells good already and tastes good as well. It's now time to bring all the gizzard out of the saucepan. But guys, we're going to leave the stock in the saucepan and then we put our chicken in as well, okay? As I said, this is quick, easy and effortless to make. All right, smells so good. Wow, it smells so good. So we put in our chicken in the stock, as I said. Wow. You can add more seasoning if you want. It's time to also bring our chicken out, and it smells so amazing. It tastes good as well. I love my natural flavors. That's the ginger and garlic. I don't go without them. And you know that they're also medicinal. That's why I love them. Wow. It smells so natural and so aromatic. So now guys, we're going to fry the chicken without frying the gizzard. Okay? But you can as well fry the gizzard if you want. But the gizzard tends to be hard if I fry it, and it tends to also give me some cuts in my mouth, which I hate, so I'm not frying the gizzard. I don't know about you if you've ever experienced what I'm saying, okay? But you can as well fry a little bit like the chicken, okay? So there's the color I'm going for. I think it's okay. I don't want to go further and make it brown. I want it like this. So guys, very soon it will be out of the saucepan. It smells good. The natural aroma is working. Yes, I think I'm going for this color. Yes. Ooh. Smells so good. Smells so good. I love it. So once the chicken is out of the saucepan, you go ahead and do the main easy job, okay? But have you given me a thumbs up already? Are you loving my video so far? And what are you waiting for if you are new and have not subscribed? Subscribe, okay? And whilst at it, click on the bell button in order to receive updates from me, alright? So it's time to put in our shallot. Guys, this is going to be so appetizing and so full of flavor and so full of nutrients. Go nowhere and keep watching till the end. You're going to love this recipe. As I said, it's so quick and easy. I'm now adding some ginger paste. Yes, and some garlic paste as well. I don't go without them. They are so medicinal and they bring me some flavor that I want in my sauce, my stews, and also in my soup. We are now adding the chicken and also my gizzard. I just love the taste. I love the aroma, and I am so happy with this, guys. The result I'm having here is so amazing. The aroma is on point. The flavor is so natural, and I cannot wait. I hope you try this, guys. This recipe is simple, but the results is so great. Okay, so I'm giving it a good stir, and then we're going ahead to add the rest of our seasoning. This is my homemade curry powder. I'll leave the link down below, so guys, definitely check it out. You will love it. The recipe is so great. And that's also my chicken seasoning, and now I'm giving it a good stir to combine everything. So now, guys, we are trying to combine the curry powder and the meat properly. Okay, we want the curry powder to cover each meat in the saucepan, and also to penetrate the meat, so that when you take a bite of each meat, you can as well taste the curry in them. The curry tastes so good. So guys, definitely check the link below and see how I made it. It's so nice and it's so tasty. Now I've added our stock, and the aroma, the flavor is on point. It's so great now. It's at the next level, guys. So now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients, and first we are adding our spring onion. We are also going to add our celery, and our red cabbage. Guys, at this point, let's give it a good stir, okay? But also make sure that your heat is low. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers for supporting this channel, and I hope you love what I'm doing. So don't forget to recommend the channel to friends and families. Also comment on this video, share, and let your friends also know about it. Okay, thank you so much, and I love you all. So now we are going to add our carrots and also our yellow bell peppers. Again, we are adding our red bell peppers and give it a good stir. But whilst at this point, make sure your heat is low, okay? In order not to soften your vegetables more than this, okay? Because I want them fresh and crunchy, my heat is now low, and definitely I'm going to get that result. Definitely, I know that you are enjoying this video. That's why you are still here. So get to the kitchen, grab your meat and your veggies, and recreate some for yourself right away, okay? Because when I finish it, you cannot taste with me. Let me bring it a bit closer for you to see how beautiful it is. Guys, now I want it a bit thicker than this. So I'm going to add some corn flour, okay? And all you do is to just take some corn flour, a spoonful, and add some water, mix it up, and then you pour the liquid or the mixture in your stir fry or sauce. Guys, this part is optional. If you don't want it any thicker than the original, then you have to definitely omit this part and leave it like that. Alright, but the aroma, guys, is so top notch, and I can't wait. You can serve yourself and eat this stir fry with some plain rice or some jollof rice. I just cannot wait. As I always say, where are your plates? Where are your plates? Because, wow, guys, it's so quick, it's so easy. and it's effortlessly made. I love the flavor of the natural ingredients. The flavor of the ginger is everything. I'm so in love and I'm loving it. In conclusion, don't forget to add some salt to taste. As I said, if you are new on this channel, click on the red subscribe button. Don't just go because you are missing out on a lot of appetizing recipes, okay? So click on the bell button as well to get more updates from me. Thank you again and see you again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Bye bye. Peace. Mwah.